coming back to your question about ASCON, what is there, right? So I'll just, for the viewers, when you look at it, communications can be segregated or compartmentalized. So one is a static core infrastructure. The other is at the edge or at the edge in infrastructure, right? The edge, for example, if I take a mobile phone, because everybody's accustomed to it, at the edge communication is the mobile handset that you're having. The infrastructure is your mobile towers and rearwards connectivity on OFC, or which we call backhaul or microwave, mostly OFC, onto the switching there onto their data centers, where they are managing the network, authenticating you, giving you the rights to use something, your billing and everything. Because billing, of course, is also important because it's a commercial activity. Not so in the armed forces, because there's no billing that we do. We're not charging. Everything is paid for by the government or the taxpayers' money. So ASCON is something which is a strategic network, which starts from the clouds, which are our data centers, regional or central data centers, which are spread all over the nation, going down right up to infrastructure, going right up to the international border or to the boundaries or LAC or LOC, as you have it, right? So as a result, anybody who's there, you can say you can come into the shadow of a communication node and you can connect. Now, when you connect, either it could be a wire or wireless, right? Mm-hmm. For example, like when you're moving on mobile, when you leave one mobile tower, you join the others, there's something handoff, your call handoff takes place and you're wirelessly connected to the other tower. Here, you can either be wired, so you have something like a communication hotspot. So ASCON actually is the strategic communication network with ASCON phase 4 going right up to the border. So it is catering for now this shadow could be the footprint of this could be 10 kilometers. There's still gaps. So, and these are static, though they have some mobile, you can redeploy them. But most of the majority of them, 90% are static, right there. For that, you need something mobile communications or communication with the mechanized forces, right? For that, you have something which is called the tactical communications, which also has wireless, which will be there, and hotspot which is made, right? So ASCON is something which has got the cloud, the data center, the management, the going right up to the IB, an important location. You strategically and tactically important locations physically you have a communication node or set up a communication node so that everybody get connected rearwards and laterally to ASCON. So it is what we call Army Static Switched Communication Network, right? It's actually the infrastructure. Now, this infrastructure is not that it's only OFC. It could be microwave, it will be OFC, it could be satellite. There are all these three components because you need multiple routes so that these communication node, there's no single point of failure within the node and outside also, right? That is how it is what the ASCON in a nutshell does. And I made an example with this, right? The tactical communication is something like a handset, which again, there's a unit which does that, which will have wireless, because the moment you launch yourself, you're not going to be sitting in one place. You'll be moving out. So when you're going there, you just connect wirelessly or through satellite rearwards, get connected throughout.